Children, now we are going to know the difference between the repeated and non-repeated letters. How do we find out the difference between the non-repeated letters and repeated letters? Let us take one example and I will show you in the simple manner how to show the difference between the non-repeated and repeated letters. First we are discussing about the non-repeated letters. In the non-repeated letters, we are taking the first word is uncle. We are taking the first word is uncle, children. Here we took the word uncle. And in the repeated letters, we are taking the repeated letters is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Here, non-repeated. Uncle is the word. There are no letters repeated. In the small, there are two L's are repeated. In the repeated letters, there are LL is there, but this is non-repeated. Now, let us write above in the alphabetical order. A, B, C. C is the first letter, right? Above C, 1. A, B, C, D, E. E is the next letter, right here 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and this is 5. Same on the right side also. You can use the same alphabetical order. A above 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. For both the L's, you can keep it as 2. For both the L's, we can keep it as 2. J, K, L, M, N, last one is S. Same way we took, but here, these are non-repeated, they are repeated. Now, less than 5 on the right side. Less than 5 on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write here 4 children. Less than 4 on the right side. Less than 4 on the right side. 1, 2, 3. Write here 3. Less than 1 on the right side. There is no less than 1. 0. Less than 3 on the right side. 1. Less than 2 not there. 0. After writing this, start on the right side. 0 factorial. 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Right. Now, look here. 0 factorial is equal to 1. 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1 is 2. 3 factorial is equal to 6. 4 factorial is equal to 6 fours are 24. Right. Now, corresponding these two rows, let us multiply and add. That is 4 into 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 0 into 2 factorial plus 1 into 1 factorial, 0 into 0 factorial, and at the end we should add 1 children. At the end we should add 1. Why we should add 1? To frame the complete word, we should add 1. This implies 4 into 4 factorial is 24 plus 3 into 3 factorial is 6 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 1 into 1 factorial is 1. This is 0 plus 1. Now, this implies 24 fours are 96 plus 3 6 are 18 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. Now, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 1, 20 plus 96. 20 plus 96, that is 116. Therefore, rank of the word Uncle. Uncle is 116. Rank of the word uncle is 116, children. Now we will discuss about the repeated letters. In the repeated letters also the same method how we have done in the non-repeated in the first step. Just look here, less than 4 on the right side, less than 4 on the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4, so we can write it as 4 children. Now less than 3 on the right side, less than 3 on the right side, 1, 2, 3. So we can write it as here 3. Less than 1, nothing will be there, less than 1 here, so 0. Less than 2 also 0. Less than 2 also 0. Now the difference between the non-repeated and repeated, you can observe here, there are 2 L's are there here. So 4 by repeated letters in the given word, there are 2 L's are there, including this letter we have to see, that is 2 factorial. From here, how many are repeated in this? There are 2 L's are there. So we can write by 2 factorial. And including A, there are 2 L's are there, 2 factorial. Here, including L, that is 2 factorial. This is 1 factorial. Once again I am repeating, children. In the letter S, including S, how many letters are repeated? In this word, there are 2 L's are repeated, so by 2 factorial. Again from M, there are 2 L's are repeated by 2 factorial. Again from A, there are 2 L's are there, so 2 factorial. From L, there are, including L we have to take, there are 2 L are there, 2 factorial, here 1 factorial. Now let us simplify this. That is 4 by 2 factorial. 4 by 2 factorial means 4 by 2, that is 2. Next, 3 by 2 factorial. Let us write it as 3 by 2. This is 0, 0, 0. Now start from the right side, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. After writing this, these 2 corresponding rows multiply and make a sum, that is 2 into 4 factorial plus 3 by 2 into 3 factorial plus 0 into 2 factorial plus 0 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial plus 1. Now this implies 4 factorial. Already we have written here 4 factorial means 24. 24 2s are 48 plus, now 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. So 2 factorial get cancelled here, 2 into 2 get cancelled, 3 will be left, 3 3s are 9 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 48 plus 9 plus 1 is 10, that is 58. 58. Therefore, rank of the word small. Rank of the word small is, rank of the word small, S-M-A-L-L, small is 58. This problem was given in the previous JEE exam, children, repeated letters method, and here non-repeated letters. Here I explained the non-repeated, here repeated letters. Once again, briefly I am explaining the non-repeated and repeated, the differences. Just see here, we took the word uncle. In this word there is no letter repeated. After writing the word uncle, write at the top alphabetical order. In the alphabetical order, what is the first letter comes? That gives 1. So here C is the first letter, C above 1. Next, E is the next letter, E above 2. Next, L is the next letter, 3. N is the next letter, 4. U is the last letter here, that is 5. Even here also the same procedure. Small A is the first letter. Next, L, both are same letters. We should give the same number. When the letters are same, the numbers also should be given same. Next, M is the next letter, S is the next letter. So small, in the small also the same procedure. But the difference in these two is, here we have not written in the denominator, but here we have written in the denominator. The repeated letters including that letter. The repeated letters including that letter, we should write it in the denominator, children. So starting from S, including S. So here, how many letters are repeated? L, only L is 2 are there. So that we have written as 2 factorial. Including M on the right side, 2 L's are there. Including A on the right side, 2 factorial. Including L on the right side, 2 factorial. Including L, only 1, so 1 factorial. Now, that is the difference between the repeated and non-repeated letters. I hope you understood very clearly the differences between the non-repeated and repeated letters. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.